Today's video is being made at the request of a well-wisher of Forex BD who wants to know about pips and prices in the Forex market. So today's video is to keep that request. In today's video, we will discuss the subject in detail and also show how you can easily enter by calculating these pips. We will show you a simpler technique for both mobile and laptops. Those who have problems with this will be happy to watch the video for 5 minutes with patience. Anyway, I am the official member of FOREX BD. I hope you are well. What are pips? Pip is a unit of measurement that measures the difference between two currencies. Suppose the value of the Euro-USD currency pair changes from 1.2100 prices to 1.2101 prices. This means that 0.0001 USD has increased in this currency pair, which means its value has increased by 1 pip. The value of a currency pair is always changing through small movements. Traders calculate profit or loss through this change. Although pips is the minimum unit of currency pair's price, always remember, pips is the 4th digit after the decimal point in the pair. Most currency pairs are up to 4 digits after the decimal, but some pairs do not have 4 digits after the decimal. What are pipettes? Many brokers show 5 digits after the decimal point instead of 4 and 2 digits. These brokers quote as fractional pips. This is called pipettes. Remember, 10 fractional pips are equal to 1 pip. That is, if you see the price of 5 digits of decimal in your trading terminal, you will understand that if the 5th digit of the decimal is changed 10 times, the 4th digit will change by 1 pip. This number located in the 5th cell of the decimal is called pipettes or points. Notice in this example, the value of the GBP-USD currency pair changed from 1.30542 to 1.30543 prices. This means that 0.00001 USD has increased in this currency pair, which means its value has increased by 1 pipette. If 10 pipettes change, the currency price changes by 1 pip. These prices are written on the right side of the market. They are calculated by calculating the pips or pipettes. Or you can do calculations like this. I will show this in today's video. So first, let's take a look at how you can make an entry by calculating pips and price for mobile and setting up SL and TP. Well, suppose you take a buy entry from this point of the market. This means that you predict that the market will go uptrend. So since you are expecting the market to go up after the analysis, you will have a profit if the market goes up, so you have to put TP at the top and SL at the bottom of the entry point. Now you can set up SL anywhere below. The larger the SL, the farther you need to set it up from the entry point. Again, the same rule in the case of TP. Since we have taken buy entry from this point and this point is 1.04997, that you will account for the rest of the numbers after the decimal. So here we see 5 digits after the decimal. Then it means that the last one is pipettes. Now after taking a buy entry from here, if you want to receive 10 pips of TP, then you need to set up a TP at 1.5097 in this position. Because since it is 5 digits, the last one here is pipettes and 1 pip in 10 pipettes. So since we take 10 pips TP, then 10 times 10 equals 100. So if we want to take 10 pips TP, then we have to set up TP 100 points above the price of entry point. Then if we want to take 20 pips TP, then we have to set it up 200 points above. To set up, you go to the TP option, then write that price there. As such, if you take a buy entry from 1.05100 and want to receive 20 pips of TP, then you need to set up your TP at 1.05300. That means you will write this point in the TP option. Also in that entry, if you want to take 10 pips SL, then you have to write 1.05000 in the SL option. Since we have taken a buy entry because we think the market will go up, we will have TP in that direction and we will gain if it goes in that direction, but if it goes in the opposite direction we will have a loss, and there we have set up SL, that means determine the maximum loss. I gave. If you look at the entry from the market, you can see here that the market is running. We will take a buy entry from here. That's why we took an entry from this position. You must see that we have taken an entry. Now the job is to set up its SL and TP. If you want to take TP up to this point, then write the point written along with it in place of TP. So if we go to our entry, then we can set up SL and TP. So our entry point is 1.05765. Since we have taken by entry, we have to set up TP at the top and SL at the bottom. So here we will set up 10 pips SL. Our entry point is 1.05765. So if you go 10 pips or 100 points down from here, it will be 1.05665. Since there are 5 digits after the decimal, our 10 pips are equal to 100 points or pipettes. So we have to write 10.05665 in place of SL. So we set up our SL. Now we want to take 30 pips of TP, so in that case, we have to set up TP above 300 points as there are 5 digits after the decimal. So the entry point is 1.05765, and if you add 300 points to it, it will be 1.06075. Then we will write this point in the TP option. So we wrote it. Then click on the Modify option to finish the job. You can see we have set up SL and TP. You can do the same on a PC. But first, I would like to request those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, and don't forget to hit the like button. Easier on PC. Just after taking an entry, you can set these points by pressing and dragging the mouse. We took a sell entry to show you. So now I have taken the sell entry. I have to set up TP down and we will take TP 30 pips. So after subtracting 300 points from the entry point, we will get our TP. For that, just hold down the mouse on the entry point and drag it down. Here you can see the price, so I will set it in the place we specified. We set it up in the targeted place. I am setting up SL in the same way. I hope you can understand.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.